Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to change your FOV in CSGO. So as you can see, mine's is all the way zoomed in right now. It's the default FOV, so if you want to change that, I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. But first, you're going to want to open your console. So to do that, you're going to want to go to settings. If you don't know how to do it yet, go to settings, then go to the settings menu. So you're going to want to go to game in game, and then once you're here, you're just going to want to look for enable developer console. As you can see right here, you want to turn that to yes, and then go to keyboard and mouse, and to make sure that's actually activated, you're going to want to scroll down until you find it. As you can see here, toggle console. It's like the squiggly line button, but once you find it, you're going to want to open that up. Once you've opened it up, the first command you can use is Viewmodel FOV, and then put in the number that you want. So it can go from 54 to 68. If you want it all the way zoomed out to 68, and that will give you the highest range of view. As you can see, you can also offset the X, Y, and Z coordinates as well. So to do that, you're going to want to open the console once again. The command for those is Viewmodel offset X, Y, and Z. So you can mess around with those and see how much you want to change it. The X offset is from -2.5 to 2.5. The Y offset is from -2 to 2, and Z is also -2 to 2. So I'll just put up my favorite offset values on the screen. You can go ahead and copy those, or you can just find out which ones work best for you by messing around with it. But that is actually how you can change your FOV in CS2. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.